I think India is very uniquely positioned to influence the broader fintech market. We're the third largest fintech ecosystem in the world, not just by the amount of funding that the fintech sector has received, but also in terms of the overall number of fintechs that we have. Given this large opportunity, there's clearly something right that India has done. The digital public infrastructure, or the DPIs, as we know, Aadhaar, UPI, the Unified Lending Interface, to name a few, have set the ground for fintechs to expand, and this framework can actually be taken up globally. We've seen more and more countries now looking to explore a DPI-like framework for their own fintech ecosystems within their respective countries. So export of DPI is a great opportunity that other countries can learn from. Also, in terms of fraud detection, fraud prevention, given that transactions are becoming more and more digital, it is all the more essential to detect fraud early on. And that's a space where India offers an unparalleled market size and ability to detect different kinds of fraud. And such learning and technology can also be taken to the rest of the world. The Reserve Bank Innovation Hub, or RBIH, has been set up as a subsidiary of the Reserve Bank of India to accelerate innovation in the financial services sector. And a key component of this accelerating innovation involves working with fintechs, and that is where RBIH has set up a Fintech and Startups team, also known as FAST, to accelerate the journey of fintechs to partner with banks and take the solutions to the market. To enable this, we have introduced something called as the Bank Buddy system, where senior professionals, mentors from the bank, guide the startups on the use cases and the opportunities, give them feedback on their product. We've also created a bank readiness checklist through which fintechs can be prepared to interact better with banks. And we've also enabled the Bank Fintech Demo Day, through which a unique platform through which we bring in nearly 25 banks and financial institutions and fintechs to come together on a single day, thereby enabling conversation and accelerating their journey. The broader mission of the FAST team, the RBIH FAST team, is to democratize fintech entrepreneurship across the country and make it accessible. And in this process, we are working with various state governments to unlock fintech entrepreneurship almost from an idea stage. We've enabled, today it is possible for any potential entrepreneur to become a scaled fintech startup through our framework. So we have enabled the entire framework from ideation until growth stage through our hackathons, pre-incubation, incubation and acceleration programs. And we have also brought in the best of the industry together. You name it, banks, mentors. We have mentors who are unicorn founders, successful founders, regulatory experts who've been there, done that, to guide these startups. And we've also brought in the best of the incubation ecosystem through our incubation partners in order to support the startups in their entrepreneurial journey. We are on a mission to enable frictionless finance for 1 billion Indians. The broader mission of RBIH is enabling frictionless finance for 1 billion Indians. And that is only possible when banks and fintechs are able to collaborate together. And the Frictionless Finance Accelerator stands as an example where we have brought in the best of incubators. We have partnered with SPJMR, Institute of Management and Research. We have partnered with YES BANK to bring in their ecosystem. And RBIH comes in as a key partner. So all these three institutions have come together to accelerate the journey of fintechs. There are very specific focus areas of this program. To name a few, we are looking at MSME finance, climate finance, supply chain finance. And MSME finance is a critical problem for the country where there is a large credit gap that needs to be addressed. And that is where we need more and more innovative fintech solutions that can capture alternate data, look at innovative ways of underwriting credit and making it accessible to the MSMEs, thereby leading to the growth story of a Viksit Bharat by 2047. As RBIH, our mandate is to democratize fintech entrepreneurship. So the intent is, no matter where you're located, be it in a remote region in India or fintech capital, you should have the same level of access to entrepreneurship opportunities, and that is something that we wish to enable. One message I would like to end with is ABCDEF. Anybody can do entrepreneurship in fintech.